Hey guys, welcome back to the UltFone channel. If your iPhone screen is completely white and unresponsive, don't worry. In this video, I will guide you through resolving this issue. A white screen may be caused by software malfunctions, system crashes, or other problems that occur after updates. Fortunately, if it is a system issue, we can fix it without spending on hardware repairs. Method 1. Force restart the iPhone. This is a common and effective method. First, you need to press the volume up button, then press the volume down button, and finally hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. This will restart your iPhone, and if the problem is caused by a temporary software glitch, it may return to normal. If the problem persists, you can try other methods, such as using a computer to repair the iPhone. Method 2. Use iTunes to repair iPhone. First, you need to connect the device to the computer. Similar to a forced restart, press the volume up button, then the volume down button, and finally hold the side button until it enters recovery mode. Then open iTunes, which will recognize that your phone is in recovery mode and prompt you to update or restore. Choose Update to reinstall the system. However, using iTunes may take a long time or encounter errors. If an error occurs or you do not want to use iTunes to restore the phone, I strongly recommend using UltFone iOS System Repair for system repair. Method 3. Using UltFone iOS System Repair. This tool is designed to fix various iOS issues, including the iPhone white screen problem, without losing any data. The download link is in the video description. First, connect your phone and enter recovery mode by pressing the volume up button, then the volume down button, and finally holding the power button until recovery mode is activated. Then open UltFone and select Start Repair. Choose Standard Mode to avoid data loss. The tool will download the correct firmware and repair your iOS system without losing data. After the download is complete, click Start Standard Repair. UltFone iOS System Repair will begin fixing your iPhone, which will take about 10 minutes. Once completed, your phone will return to normal and your data will remain intact. You can now use your phone normally. Method 4. Contact Apple Support. If none of this helps, it may be due to hardware damage. At this point, you have the option of contacting Apple Support for a proper diagnosis. They can check if there is any missing hardware. Therefore, it is necessary to visit the Apple website to make an appointment for further help. Alright, that concludes today's tutorial. I hope you have now resolved the white screen issue. If you found this video helpful, please like and follow us. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.